Yes. Wabo we are. Una good morning. Una welcome. Na me una brother na pikin. We come from Edo State. We papa na Benin, and mama na Benin. Una good morning. Make una share this video. May reach everybody hand. May everybody for the world. May they know what human being they do for what human being they do person. This world where we come dey now, it can't be say na evil people na come fool the world. The people wey not the pity for person, the people wey want say person want die or want your kill and finish. People may not want make people better for community. They come fool everywhere for the evil world. Wetin dey cause am for their body? Cause say they want rich. Wetin dey cause am for their body? They want rich. They go to do their follow brother bad thing. They go to do their follow sister bad thing. Now I'm not saying I me they tell me say I me be new generation prophet Atiti. When I not agree, maybe they do bad to the fellow human being. Any year at a committee where they do bad for your senior, your fellow human being, I know they like am. This life what we dey so now live and let's live. Not be wicked war when our daughter can change to. Who be all those type of people where they do the bad for the community. Mostly some of our idol leaders, our idol youths. Now they do this bad thing. Now I come out. I not go school, my people. Talk to us say I want control Facebook, I want do Facebook work. I see the way that they behave for the community for social media. Our idol people, some of our idol people. Now make me come out for his house. Say this nonsense just too much. You know, so many pikin where their papa send message. They just they grow, they come, they not get home training. They not train them for house. They not train them for house now, so they take on Europe. So now they control their family. Their family not they get what they talk for where they dey again. So all those type of people, they too full Facebook. They full Facebook, some of them. I go take some of them make parable. Now before I start the topic when I dey go. Like a Monekia, if papa not train and wear. Like if you're done, that one, if papa say, if they when you born and I bury at a house. Since that day, poverty not finished for that house again. Which one again? So let us go to the topic. Niger Wash. He get one big blogger wey dey for Edo State. He papa na Edigi, he name na Elvis. This blogger, he don tey wey dey keep people page. He dey keep people page. He go change the name to another name. He don do several one. Me we cannot get personal quarrel. Where the quarrel for come? Now I want to tell my country people. Una know say I never get chance to tell una since then about this Niger Wash. Elvis Edigi, where come from Edo State. He say na he be Niger Wash director. Niger Wash in director intermenity interpreses. He say na he be the Niger Wash in director. Una know say I be pikin wey no go school. I dey talk always. Before I call jam friend where they call Umenwan. Before I jam this friend where they call Umenwan for Facebook, na from Victor. Pikin, we know they tell the commonized person. Pikin, we call everybody in own. If you there for pace, you go the pain, I go find, I go want to help you suffer, I go find out. Before I call jam this Pikin. You know say, if Pikin reach country, he go tell one leg stand before he go put two leg down. Where do you see men when I come? Where they come put her for social media president, they put me for chairman. I can't tell her say, all those women, they don't get character. All those women, that's why the community is saying, he say no. He not believe me. Or because they take what all those Igbiagia, they tell them, all those Igbiagia, because they take them, me can't get quarrel. The time we can't tell no say na truth I tell them, now it run from they say Igbiagia man a good mobile. All those will be there plenty now that they use Niger Watch today. Now that they send Niger Watch message. Now that they send Niger Watch message to Moshe Monekia. Now me I can't tell them now. Me not the quarrel. He get my Facebook, my page where they carry 17,000 followers. The time where the page where they never block him, I call Niger Watch make it metalateral for me. You know what it be metalateral motorize. You don't let them do. Now, where they don't collect my page, they go change them to BBC Niger. 17,000 viewers. Only overnight, you get 17,000 viewers for the page now. Overnight, you get 5,000 likes for the page now. He can't put Captain Osa, that big man when he died for Edo State. Okumbo, he can't put him for now. Be the first video when he put. As I see him, when did they change the topic? They change the name of my Facebook, New Generation Prophet Atiti. If they change that to BBC Niger, Niger we can't go they take the, as they change that they go, we go they take a picture, we go they take a picture. It can't be say they can't put Captain Ogumbo video. Our late brother, when he died, they can't put the video. Now I can't take and they swear for Niger Watch show. That night I swear for them. Niger Watch with the death when he killed Captain Osa Okumbo. He own a better death. He as Okumbo rich, since the money they find when you carry my page. You not go ever see that richness where Captain Okumbo rich, where you go put for the video. Where you go put for the page where you want to make money. So before they break it, Niger Watch you go there, he go remove him. He go remove him. I follow Captain Okumbo when I watch him and not see him again. He go put it there film. He can't go push Shakishan. He can't go push Shakishan. Where do me they tell be broken English people so? As the matter never start to circulate. Man over here before I start to speak broken English, Niger Watch, Director Limited, Edigi Elvis. Give me my page, oh. Not be if you carry my page, now you. You must give me my page, oh. As I can't work, so I say when I quit drop this one this morning, before I go enter work, if I reach out today, you go give me my page. We not the quarrel. They say when I come beg you, when I go beg the people when I offend. I don't offend anybody, I see they talk am. Any person where they do bad thing for community, where not they behave when I mean because of course social media. The time when you they block me, when you be my backup for 1 year 6 months. But Obasa go do bad, I go quarrel with her. Monica go do bad, that the Mofri back, he go do bad, I go quarrel with her. You not block my page, where you can't go chop Yore or Mose money. If Yore or Mose and your sister, Niger Watch, what you do to her, you go do it to your sister. And that question, I want to ask you now. Yeah, now what we are digging, a powerful booking, boo booking, a work you are digging, oh, job budget working. Who am I paying me? Who am I paying me? We are digging. Hey, I said, now when you want my bog, but I'm not Bova, Unakagbe, Unvie done. If you don't know about anymore, that guy where he did for Austria, one girl that they call him Motia Mobugbe, now if you that they call her, he abandoned 3 piki, he don't follow, you don't lelekia o. Nekwemu. You don't know the day where they celebrate Mother's Day for your piki. Only you want to go to do birthday. Piki, you go to cook. Piki not there where one chop the food where they cook for birthday. You know the shame. You see call the talk for live video. If you're done, over my bugbe. You go to celebrate birthday. Piki not there where you want for chop. You know you go to cook. No piki where one chop the food. You want to take a pomekia. Now so you go for Obazelu wife come. And when I go. And when go, Obazelu where big nonsense come off of it. You say now you carry my page. Now lie you talk. If now you, Niger Watch will collect it for you and go give me. This one go be the end of. It go be the end when I go the carry Percy page. When I go the block Percy page, it go be the end. I don't tell you now right from the time, right from beginning. That page not go let you now carry down again. If you not carry it down, Bini go summer sooner. Since the whole Benin don't see that page for there now, so now don't change that. Now trap will take herself for now. Trap. You don't tell what they do. Now try to do Sarah. Where Sarah go to abuse I don't know where I go there abuse. Fear not let me talk that one come off from out. If you see person when you want grow, na so na go do one. I shall work with comment. Na so na do one. Una block the page. Is that one come and say na he can sell the private part. He sell a hectares. He see husband for his side. He carry hectares. If you whose husband you see him carry, collect one they collect the go. You know they ashamed of yourself. You know see what I love you. He told you tell you. Since the old women they talk to you for live video, go watch a EQ Yame Fire Brigade. Go watch a video. If you watch am full reach ground, you watch am again 3 times, you go sickness go hold you. So my brothers and my sister, na very short one I say when I call drop this morning. Elvis Edigin, Niger Wash, where did it call itself Niger Wash? This one a new generator you jam o. Na new generator. This matter if it take 10 years for ground o. If it take 10 years, since you don't want one better, I go make sure say the better way you do better before I go destroy all of them for your hand o. Not be joke at the joke o. If me quarrel with you, say what you do, e no good, you go come on your back off for my page. You go change my page to BBC Naija. The page will not let them metalator. Since then, not let a man mortalize. You don't mortalize that for only one video. Mona, she can't listen to this one. Oh, everything of your digging. Everything of your digging. Agbawe, man. Agbawe. Yeah, you go wow. Yeah, you go buluao. Where? Why my page man? Why you are buying? This one I go make una stop on. Una not go to keep page again. If person talk to una go find person when you go fit talk to una. Una tell her say me that person go talk to una. If any person talk to una that time, una say atiti. Or whenever swear atiti gumagwagwan. If the person I talk to her no here, when I go catch her, I go piss no, I go commot nonsense for her head. That time next time they talk to her, I go here. Now so I wanted to do all of una now. For the beat una for this, I remember I go the beat una. Till una come up for bad thing. Una don't disgrace una name. Una don't spoil una name finish. Una see the talk say you are Moshofino speaker. You are Moshofino speaker. Yeah, you are presenter. What do they present? What do they present? Me not call myself presenter. I don't get what they present. What do me they present to Benin people? All the old Baba people waiting for social media where they take man they condemn. Where be Benin people where they take man they condemn Benin people or they want to destroy Benin people. Now me I they present. I they stand for the people who not get voice to fit talk. If you are friend, I can't tackle you. Now me they do. Me not get what me they do for you. But una go change my page. Oh, we are dig yo. Oh, job wo no. FVC do a page mo. FVC do a page mo. But we are do ya fe wa kam FVC no me page me go me o. Atakpara pa no gyojino. So my brothers and sisters, una good morning. God go bless una this morning. Una no see any man when he do invest. When he do invest, person dey spoil am for hand, don't be waiting good. All of una way dey here today. The investment when I invest, man no fit collect for una hand. Woman no fit change una name. Man no fit change una name. Any man wey say me change una name for una property, he go die atomic death. The atomic death, that me wanted to carry the gift Niger Watch because he go put our brother Captain Osa. He go put am for in that page when he thief so. Now the death when he kick after Osa. Big man own I kick after Osa. The poor man own I go kill Niger Watch. Oh, we are digging. Oh, go kill her. Elvis. Oh, we are digging. He wait a agbawe. Wait a agbawe. Well, no break I call. Niya wa aleruna break I call. Iya kama I call him. Niya kama we call him. Na wabe you are. Ujoba jevu. Akpa obobo. Ewia. Wa do legal view wa bo wan get energy. You don't tip people money, tip people page, tip everything. You say you be the house where you put 5 gates. Another people money. Now the school where your papa say you be that. Now the school where your papa say you be that, say you call the thief. Okay, I just come for una. You know say that they say been able for grow. The time where all of us grow, where we grow some I think they never even born you that time. The time when it be the year of your papa for say, they never born you, you be small picking that time. I can't tell you your papa history. If you don't know me, well, you know me with time reach. Yeah, why I say if you know what is good for you before I reach out today, Mona send this video go give. You know if you done. You know, may collect the page. Okay, you don't tell us may go collect the page for a VA may bring am for me. Now me I need to. That page don't dey for them. If they bring that page down, they go see what go happen. The hope I don't dey for that page. No, oh attitude oga. New generation oga ki. Ege amugboto. Ah, mo iwe me we regbe. Ah, ma wo emi o ma gbe. Ah, mo iwe me. They must give me my property. Whether devil like it or not. Some people feel say he go talk, he go rest. Me, Omonikia know me. Omonikia. If pikin they say, if papa of the pikin they celebrate birthday, they don't let her do birthday. They don't let her do birthday. Pikin where you born, you don't go give it papa. I see you this morning, I be yesterday. Not be breast if they show again. If they show the nyash, if my nyash is biggie, my nyash is biggie. Now we go, gigby again, go, Monica we ladyan, Monica we ladyan. Other show it, baby, no there. My waist is big. This gun is low. This gun is low. Not be breast if they show again. Before that breast, you go throw away breast like this. No, now nyash you call the show now. You know say I get big bump, I get big nyash. At your, you say you be mature woman, you say be responsible woman. Who person they show me yash? If they show me attitude yash, na attitude they show yash. I know they come because you be destiny killer. You the old people secret where they take keep people. I know they come. Me not go give them. Me you not see me they call kill me. Bah ya jagmo kanwa ya zenawa. If you wa anware we amunya here streets. If I narrate una, if una pikin go come, they go the shame for streets. All the video when I they do, if the people listen to them, no say I they quarrel with you for bad one I they do. So Mona wait for me. Una go wait till be the time now. 2 minutes to 9. When I come they go, when I come go walk. Because they say now best waiting person and key now they survive. I don't get money when I they collect for them, but as when I take one, when I change my name, now I be waiting first me, I be waiting first the opening. Anyhow, when I take one, I go give me my page. Now just small thing, I will give my page. Brothers and sisters, Moku are not vex the way I take the talk to them because they be evil people for the community. They don't want me people better. Una don't they see these people right from time. If they see people who want to climb up for Facebook, they will kill their page. If they see people who want to climb up for Facebook, they will kill their page. If you dey for all those people hand, all those the Niger wash. They know the agreement you share other person video. They know the agreement you share another person video. They'll say the person won't grow. They'll say the person won't grow. They say they for inside Bible to be your brother's keeper. In anything you are, to be your brother's keeper. But where would they see now? Not be brother's keeper. Not be evil's keeper. Not be evil's keeper. Not be waiting complete. And most of una they carry Bible, they go church every Sunday. Una say una be Christian, una be Christian, una be Christian, una be Christian. Na yeye Christian una be. Both the pastor wey dey teach una work, ogun ogbe pastor no ma ni gbere gwa gbe. Ne we no sabi advice in members. Ogun go kill that pastor wey no dey advise him members say make dem no dey do bad again.